I compared LMDE 7 Gigi with Debian 13 Trixie, and honestly, the choice really depends on what kind of Linux user you are. LMDE is basically Linux Mint, but built directly on top of Debian instead of Ubuntu, so you're getting that familiar Mint experience. The Cinnamon desktop, user-friendly tools, and a very polished, out-of-the-box setup. If you like your system to just work without spending hours tweaking, LMDE 7 is definitely the smoother, more beginner-friendly option. Debian 13. Trixie, on the other hand, is classic Debian. Rock solid, super stable, and intentionally conservative with updates. It gives you more control, but also expects you to handle things on your own. You won't get the same level of built-in conveniences or the Mint-specific tools, but you do get that pure Debian foundation that many advanced users prefer. One thing to keep in mind, LMDE updates can lag a bit behind Debian's official releases because Mint has to adapt everything for its own ecosystem. Debian Trixie will always be the source, not the derivative. So which should you pick? If you want stability with a polished desktop and minimal setup hassle, LMDE 7 wins. If you prefer a clean, no-frills, fully Debian experience, Trixie is the more reliable long-term choice.